Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're starting a series on how to use Python to automate your CAD work. We'll use ezdxf to create DXF files and then you can bring those into your CAD/CAM tools. So let's learn this step by step. In the terminal, type pip install ezdxf to install the library. We create a variable called doc with ezdxf.new and in parentheses R2010. The string part just sets the DXF version. It's widely supported, so it is a good choice. Next, we're creating a variable called MSP with doc.modelspace. The modelspace method is the part of the DXF file where the actual objects live. Lines, circles, shapes, everything we create goes into this space. Now we're going to draw a line. We're going to type msp.addLine. And inside the parentheses we need 2 points, the starting point and the end point. For example, 0, 0 is the starting point. Here the first number 0 is the x coordinate, which is horizontal, and the second number 0 is the y coordinate, which is vertical. Then we type 100, 0 as the endpoint, so this line goes 100 units to the right, staying on the same horizontal level. Then we're going to save the drawing with doc.saveas, and inside the parentheses you're going to type the file name that you want to use. Also, do not forget to add the .dxf. Locate your file and open it. And as you can see, we have created a horizontal line. Simple as that. I intentionally tried to run the Python code again while the drawing was still open and it crashed. So it is a good idea to use a try and except block to prevent the script from crashing if the file is already opened. And there we go. Now we can use the same addLine method to create a rectangle. You can experiment with it as much as you want to see how the lines come together. And there we go. A simple rectangle was created using Python. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and to continue the series. So, I'll see you next time.